Hello students, we are discussing integrals of the form 1 upon a sine square x plus b cos square x plus c. In this module I am going to take one example from the board's point of view and one example from the entrance point of view. My dear students, by and large the entrance method does not change. So only one example we will discuss from entrance point of view. Let's see the first sum. The sum says integral of 1 upon 2 sine square x minus 3 cos square x plus 7. This is to be integrated with respect to x. In the solution, the very first step is known to us, and if you were to just compare with the general forms we discussed, very clearly we can see the third type of integral and the given integral are one and the same. So it's clear that the steps which I have to follow are same as we have discussed in the earlier module. The very first being divide by cos square x. So let's write here divide numerator and denominator by cos square x. So the moment we divide by cos square x to the numerator and denominator, what we get is integral of 1 upon cos square x upon 2 sine square x upon cos square x minus of 3 cos square x upon cos square x and 7 upon cos square x dx. Now my dear students, even the next step you are well versed with, writing 1 upon cos square as sec square. So let us write here sec square. Now 2 into sine square x upon cos square x will become 2 tan square x. Minus 3 cos square x upon cos square x will become minus 3 and 7 upon cos square will become sec square. So let us write that minus 3 plus 7 sec square. Let me just copy this integral for your reference. My dear students, I am very sure that you know the next step as well. The step 2 says convert all the sec square in the denominator to tan square using the formula sec square x is equal to 1 plus tan square. So the integral will become sec square x in the numerator 2 tan square x minus 3 plus 7 into sec square x will be replaced by 1 plus tan square x. So let me put that here 1 plus tan square x. Is that okay? Now let us take the next step. It is obvious there is some opening of brackets required in the denominator, so the numerator does not change, some part of the denominator also does not change. So minus 3 as it is, and then when I open the brackets I will get 7 plus 7 tan square x. Now my dear students, if you see there is a 2 tan square x and a 7 tan square x, so in the next step the numerator is sec square x, 9 tan square x minus 3 plus 7 is plus 4, so plus 4 dx. Can I say that? Now my dear students, the next step is let us put tan x is equal to t sec square x dx. On differentiating we get sec square x dx is equal to dt. So if sec square x dx is dt, the integral looks like integral of dt upon 9t square plus 4. My dear students, in the next step we can write that as integral of dt upon 3t the whole square plus 2 square. Now this is very much of the form 1 upon x square plus a square, where value of a is 2. So we will write it as 1 by 2 into tan inverse of 3t by 2. Again coefficient of t is 3, so divided by, or let me say multiply by 1 by 3 plus c. Is that okay? So that's it. It is equal to 1 by 6 tan inverse of 3 tan x by 2 plus c. That's your final answer. Is that okay, my dear students? Now, as I said, we have to practice one sum here. This is what you can use in the practice problem. Solve this on the same lines. Let's take one entrance question. Now my dear students, if you observe this particular question, the denominator is not having sine square x cos square x. It has one term which is sine x cos x and the other term is cos square. Now this does not fall on the lines of the general form we discussed, and that's why I have taken it specially to discuss with you. Now my dear students, you need to observe something here. Now if you see the denominator is a function of sine and cos, and if you compare or if you observe, the highest power of sine or cos in the denominator is 2. Any term if you take, highest degree of the term is 2. In such a case, we as it is by default divide by cos square x. We prefer cos square. You may divide by sine square also, but in this case or generally we divide by cos square. So even if it is not in the form as discussed earlier in the module, we still go by dividing by cos square. So when we divide by cos square, the numerator becomes 1 upon cos square, divided by sin x upon cos x into cos x upon cos x plus 3 cos square upon cos square. Now 1 upon cos square will become sec square x. Now my dear students, the denominator will become simply tan x plus 3. Can I say that? Now this is very easy for us. If you see the options, all the options have log. There is only one option which is having tan x plus 3. So by default C, option C becomes the answer. But if you are curious why C, or if you still have any doubts why C, let us see that also. If I consider tan x plus 3 as f of x, the derivative of tan x plus 3 is sec square x. So can we say integral is of the form f dash x upon f of x, and integral f dash x upon f of x, the answer is log mod of f of x, that is nothing but log mod of tan x plus 3, which is my option C. So therefore the correct answer is option C. Now that's all we have in this module and in this type. Thank you very much.
कब तक आएंगे हमारे? जाता एक तो तेरे मुला रहे थोड़ा पानी जाए हाँ भाई मुड़ा हुए कतल 15 मिनट टाइम अब हम नहाई डब्बा भर में 15 मिनट में घूम कर बात हो समझे भरा में कैसे नहा दे हाँ तबे गली गली पानी मांगे जल्दी जा मुड़ा सही कर इतना तेज पानी आओ तो कैसे ना चढ़ा था तो ब्लैक पाइप साइड में पड़ उधर ले बोलिए पाइप गले भी
Mulai dah. Mulai ayam.